Introducing Cloud 3D Print, your all-in-one cloud-based 3D printing platform. Slice, print, and monitor your next project from anywhere in the world. Forgot to start your print before leaving the house this morning? No matter where you are, from desktop to mobile, Cloud 3D Print has you covered. Easily upload your 3D models to the cloud, slice, customize, and print. Our revolutionary AI technology monitors your print for defects and failures and alerts you if things go wrong. Our AI assistant scans each print and monitors print head positioning and material output to take the stress of monitoring your print off your hands. AI assistant will let you know if there are any print defects or failures, allowing you to go on with your busy day. Save time, money, and labor costs by automating your 3D print experience with Cloud 3D Print. Try it out today at cloud3dprint.com.